Our first chapter, we are going to see is adding angles. Before starting our chapter, let us revise some of the portions related to angles that we have learned in our 6th standard. What is an angle and which are the different types of angles? An angle. In geometry, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. I repeat, in geometry, an angle can be defined as a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. Now let's see the different types of angles. There are 4 types of angle: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. First one, acute angle. An angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Consider this angle. This angle is 60 degree. That means that is less than 90 degree. So we can call this as acute angle. Second one, right angle. An angle which is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. This is an example of a right angle. 90 degree angle is always called right angle. Third one is obtuse angle. An angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Example, this is 130 degree angle. 130 means angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this is called obtuse angle. Fourth one, straight angle. An angle which is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. Consider this angle, 180 degree angle. 180 degree angle always forms a straight line. That is why it is called straight angle.
Now, let's see the angle once again. First one, acute angle, angle which is less than 90 degree. Second one, right angle, angle which is exactly 90 degree. Third one, obtuse angle, angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. And the fourth one, straight angle, angle which is exactly 180 degree.
Naming an angle. Method 1, by the letter or the number written in the middle of the angle. Example, in this angle 60 degree is written in the middle. So we can say or name this angle as 60 degree. Or if some case in that place some letters will be given. So we can name the angle with the letter. Second method, by one capital letter, that is the letter at the vertex. Now see this. Here the letter at the vertex is M. So we are going to use that M to name the angle. We can call this angle as angle M. Third method is by 3 capital letters with the vertex letter in the middle. Example, this angle we can call it as angle LMN or angle NML. Here in both the names we write M in the middle. That means vertex number or vertex letter in the middle. Likewise, we can name the angle. Now, consider this angle. This angle is formed by two rays, BA and BC, and they meet together at the vertex B. So here we are going to name this angle. We can name this angle in 3 different ways. First method is we can directly say that 60 degree angle. The name of this angle is 60 degree angle. Second method is that we can use this vertex. We can use this vertex to name the angle like angle B. This is the symbol that we use to represent angle. So angle B. We can say that this is an angle B. And the third method is that we can use 3 letters of this angle A, B and C. That is angle A, B, C. Make sure that the vertex letter should comes in the middle. Same way, we can also write it as angle CBA. Angle CBA. Here also vertex V comes in the middle. So these are the three methods to name the angle. First method, we can directly say the degree of the angle. Second method, by using the vertex of the angle. And the third method, by using the three letters by keeping the vertex as the middle letter. Clear?